Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about the stacked area chart. So first question here is what is the stacked area chart? A area chart is an extension of the basic area chart, displaying the evolution of the values of different categories. Each category's value are shown on top of each other, which means the user can see the total of the categories and the importance of the group. So we will see this thing in detail here. So first thing, click on the stack area chart icon in the visualization tab. Adjust its size. Now we can see here x-axis and y-axis. So we'll move order date on the x-axis and on y-axis we'll move the cells here. Now we can see here we don't have the secondary y-axis. Like see in the area chart, if you see here, we had the x-axis, y-axis, secondary y-axis. But here in the extract area chart, we have only y-axis here. So no problem, we'll move the profit below the cells here. So now we can see here there are two lines, dark blue color and light blue color. Below light blue color we can see the sales, means total value of the sales, and between the light and dark blue color line we can see the profit here. It as per the name it is stacked area chart. So area of the profit is above the area of the sales here. You place cursor anywhere, we can see the, yeah, now it's more better. You place cursor anywhere, we can see that it's a value for the both sales and profit here. On top of sales we can see the value of profit. Now here sales line is act as the zero value for the profit here, so that's why data is the more clear here. We can see on top of the sales area profit areas.